So this is Restore. I love Restore. So I always said, what would I need if I was on a deserted island and I had to have the nutrients and minerals that I needed? And I had to have everything so that my body could be able to restore itself. And that's how I came up with Restore. I'm always forgetting to eat or to bring things that I need when I'm traveling. And this was a solution for that, so that we could have this product while we traveled, or so that a mother could have it while she was home, or a child could have it, or an elderly person could take it and really restore their body. A lot of people talk about anti-aging and longevity and DNA integration and all of those topics. For me, this is a must. You have to put the right ingredients into your body. The turmeric, curcumin, the resveratrol, the black cumin seed, the aloe vera, et cetera, that's in this product is amazing. You know, I used to be a lot of fun, and then I became a scientist, and I felt like my life became so serious. Restore brings the fun back into life. You can freeze it, you can put it in the refrigerator, you can take it with you, it's a grab and go, you can take it on the sports fields. We have all kinds of athletes that use it. We have all kinds of mothers that swear by it. I'm a mother of 4. This is a must product. You need the product because it will really help restore the life and balance into your life by supporting your body with what it needs.